DoorDash Error 404 is a common technical issue that prevents the app from finding the data or page you're requesting. Understanding what this error means and why it happens is the first step to resolving it. Error 404 in DoorDash means the app cannot locate specific information on the server. This could be a restaurant menu, your order details, or even your account information. You'll recognize Error 404 by several common symptoms. These include page not found messages, failed order submissions, inability to access restaurant menus, and login authentication failures. Here's what a typical DoorDash error looks like. This login error shows how the app displays error messages when it cannot complete your request. Error 404 has two main categories of causes. Server-side issues include API endpoint changes during app updates, database connectivity problems, and server overload during peak hours like lunch and dinner rushes. Client-side causes include outdated app versions that lack current compatibility, corrupted cache data storing invalid requests, poor internet connectivity, and insufficient device storage affecting app performance. When working properly, the DoorDash app displays restaurant menus, processes orders smoothly, and provides seamless navigation. Error 404 disrupts this normal flow by preventing access to essential app functions. Understanding Error 404 helps you identify whether the problem is on DoorDash's end or something you can fix yourself. This knowledge is essential for choosing the right troubleshooting approach. When DoorDash shows Error 404, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to get back to ordering your favorite meals. Start with quick fixes that solve most Error 404 issues. First, force close the DoorDash app completely and restart it. If quick fixes don't work, try platform-specific solutions. For iPhone users, reset network settings. For Android users, clear app data as a last resort. Network issues often cause Error 404. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Change your DNS servers to Google's 8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1, and temporarily disable any VPN connections. For persistent issues, try advanced solutions. Completely reinstall the DoorDash app, log out and back in to refresh your session, update your device's operating system, and ensure you have adequate storage space. If Error 404 persists after trying all these troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact DoorDash support directly. They can help with account-specific issues and server-side problems that require technical assistance.